Tired of garden beds that rust too soon or collapse under the weight of your soil? You're not alone. That frustration of wasted money and ruined gardening plans is all too common. But good news, these 5 raised garden beds were made to fix exactly that. Stick with me, because one of these just might be the perfect fit for your space. And hey, you'll find product links waiting for you in the description. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 5 is the King Bird raised garden bed. And there's more to it than meets the eye. It's made of galvanized steel and promises a tool-free installation, which sounds super convenient until you open the manual. First-timers might feel a bit overwhelmed here. What truly sets this garden bed apart is its reinforced double card frame, providing solid stability you can actually feel once it's put together. The multi-layer galvanized coating is a game changer, offering far better protection against rust compared to single-layered alternatives. Plus, the vertical stripe design isn't just for looks. It adds extra strength and a modern, stylish touch. One of the best features is its 2-ply thickened walls. This extra thickness reduces worries about warping or bulging caused by soil pressure, making it more reliable over time. As a thoughtful bonus, the package even includes gloves for both assembly and gardening. Small, but super convenient. That said, the product isn't flawless. Some users report that screws don't always fit perfectly, and the instructions could be much clearer. While many praise its sturdy build and lasting durability, first-time assemblers might hit a few frustrating snags. In summary, if you prioritize long-lasting durability and sleek design, the King Bird raised garden bed is a solid choice. Assembly may take some extra effort, and the price is slightly higher, but the included 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, making it a worthwhile investment for serious gardeners. Coming in at number 4, the Arlmont & Co. metal raised garden bed really catches attention with its clever hemming technology and reinforced corner protection. The thick galvanized steel feels impressively tough, standing up strong against harsh weather conditions year-round. Thanks to the included ground stakes and stabilizing bars, this bed stays rock solid, no wobbling or shifting when you're tending to your plants. One standout feature is its bottomless design, which isn't just a neat gimmick. It allows water to drain perfectly and gives roots plenty of room to grow deep into the soil. So if you're growing bigger root veggies like carrots, potatoes, or beets, this design makes a huge difference. Unlike many cheaper raised beds that warp or bend over time, this one holds its shape thanks to internal steel stabilizers. Plus, the hemmed edges are a thoughtful safety touch, reducing sharp edges that might cause scrapes or cuts during assembly, because nobody wants to get hurt while setting up their garden. Assembly is pretty straightforward, though some users mention it took a bit longer than expected. But the generous growing space more than makes up for the effort, offering plenty of room to experiment with different plants and varieties. If you want a durable, safe, and attractive garden bed that can handle serious gardening projects, this one delivers. Just be aware the price is on the higher side. Assembly times can vary, and some gardeners wished there were more size options available. At number 3, the Vego Garden Modular Metal Raised Garden Bed brings an exciting modular design to the raised bed world. The innovative VZ 2.0 material, combined with an alu-zinc coating, promises durability that lasts 3 to 7 times longer than typical galvanized steel. Imagine investing once and enjoying years of solid gardening. Here's something to pique your curiosity. The 17-inch height is just right for deep root growth while sparing your back from strain. What truly sets this bed apart is its modular setup. You can rearrange the panels to fit your space perfectly, or expand your garden as your green thumb grows. Flexibility like this is a real game changer. Safety and peace of mind matter, right? The smooth oval shape removes sharp corners, and the rubber safety strip guards your hands during work. Plus, the food-grade USDA-certified paint from AkzoNobel means no worries about harmful chemicals leaching into your soil. Perfect for those who grow edible plants. The 20-year lifetime warranty shows just how much faith the makers have in this product. Its impressive rust and corrosion resistance ensure it will withstand all kinds of weather without losing performance. It's built to last. Putting it together is pretty straightforward. No pro skills required. But keep in mind, the modular design means a few more pieces to handle. The price is higher than basic beds, reflecting the premium quality and warranty. Some gardeners find the 17-inch height a bit tall for certain plants, so consider your needs carefully. Have you tried a modular raised bed like this? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Number 2 on our list is the LandGuard 2-foot height raised garden bed, offering a generous boost in soil volume compared to the usual 1-foot options. With dimensions of 8 by 4 by 2 feet, you're getting a whopping 396 gallons of growing space, ideal for those deep-rooted plants like beans, broccoli, and other heavy feeders. What's really impressive here is the upgraded coated steel plate. It's built to resist rust and corrosion, while reinforced crossbars and fixed piles keep the panels from warping under heavy soil pressure. Plus, the eco-friendly paint means you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your garden soil. Now, this deeper design isn't just about size. It actually helps reduce how often you need to water, giving roots the room they need to grow strong and healthy. The bottomless design promotes natural drainage and lets roots stretch freely, which is a huge plus for vigorous plants. Assembly is pretty straightforward, although a few users mentioned missing hardware in their shipments. If you're a serious gardener craving maximum space, this bed's volume and stability will definitely impress. And let's be honest, the taller design just looks better in a veggie garden too. On the downside, some buyers have experienced quality control issues like bent panels during shipping and occasional missing bolts. The metal can be a bit flexible, making dents a possible concern if you're not careful during installation or transport. Overall, though, it's a strong contender for gardeners wanting volume and stability. Taking the top spot, the Roede metal raised garden bed offers an incredible balance of function and value that's hard to beat. Its thick, galvanized steel gives you solid durability without the hefty price tag of specialty coatings. That means tough, reliable performance for your garden without breaking the bank. Here's something you might find surprising. The bottomless design isn't just for drainage. It lets your plants connect directly with the soil beneath for healthier root growth. But what really makes this bed stand out is the smart system of 4 corner panels and 8 side panels, giving you true freedom to design your garden exactly how you want it. Because you can mix and match these panels, you're not stuck with one layout. Start small, then expand or rearrange as your garden evolves. That kind of flexibility is rare and super handy for gardeners growing over time. Putting it together is straightforward with simple screw connections. No expert skills needed. Unlike some tricky modular setups, this one keeps things easy, but still lets you customize your space for different plant zones. What's great is the price-to-function ratio. It makes quality raised beds accessible to many gardeners. You can create organized sections for herbs, veggies, or flowers, making garden care simpler and more fun. A couple of things to keep in mind. The basic galvanized finish might not last as long as more expensive coatings, and it lacks some advanced features seen in pricier models. If this helped you pick the perfect raised garden bed, please hit like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Don't forget to check the description box for links to all the products featured. Thanks for watching.